Hello everyone, this is Adam from Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura and a 4. It came in because it wasn't consistently starting up. When they would press the power button, they would hear noises, the motors running, and the screen would light up, but then it wouldn't complete its boot up process. Some lights would flash on the screen and it would shut back down. That has to do with an error relating to the brew unit not being able to complete its homing sequence. And when we opened it up, we found that the brew unit was moving, but it was struggling to actually reach the proper home positions. And it indicated that there was some sort of obstruction keeping that from happening. So we ended up doing a tune-up of the brew unit, or tune-up of the whole machine, which includes cleaning the brew unit. And we found that, as we suspected, there was a bunch of coffee grains and oils, in the mechanism that was keeping it from moving properly. So we cleaned the entire brew unit. We replaced the brew unit gasket, and then we descaled the machine, and it's all clean. And you can see the machine is heating up. Alright, so the machine is successfully booted up, and just to show that because the brew unit was already in home position, it didn't actually need to do the homing sequence. So just to show, that that's all working. I'm gonna make a drink. And there you have it. Here's the drink. And here's the puck. So the brew unit was able to complete this entire cycle and make it because it's really able to move.